In today's video, I'll talk about the dynamic lock feature in Windows 11 and how to enable dynamic lock feature in Windows 11. The Windows 11 operating system from Microsoft comes with several interesting features, and one such security related feature that not many people use is dynamic lock. The dynamic lock feature in Windows OS adds an extra layer of security to computer as it locks the device when the user steps away from the desk or computer. It is based on the proximity of a Bluetooth paired device such as smartphones or wearable device or tablets. When the feature is enabled, the Windows 11 will wait for about 30 seconds for the Bluetooth device to get connected to the system. And if it doesn't find the device within the time frame, the user account on the system will be automatically locked. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how you can enable the dynamic lock feature on Windows 11. So for that, first you have to go to the start. From there, you have to go to the settings application on your computer. Now from here, click the Bluetooth and devices option from the left sidebar. The second one, just click on that. And if the Bluetooth isn't enabled on your device, then toggle the Bluetooth button switch on to enable it. That one is this. Just turn it on. Now after Bluetooth is enabled on your system, click on the add a device. So just click on add a device button. Now click the Bluetooth option in the add a device window and choose the device from the list. Now it will start searching for the devices around. So you have to make sure that your device is turned on and is discoverable. Now when the device has been added, go back to the settings app and select the accounts option from the left sidebar. You can see that my device has been already paired. You can see here Realme 5 Pro here. And now once that is added, go to the accounts option. From here, click on the sign in options. From here, scroll down and click dynamic lock. Just click on that and enable the allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away option. Just check this button. So it will look for the paired, the connected Bluetooth device. In my case, it is Realme Pro. So it has been connected and you can see the connectivity here. That's it. Once you have followed the above mentioned step-by-step process, the dynamic lock feature will be enabled on your Windows 11. When the feature is enabled, if the selected Bluetooth device isn't near the computer, then the system will wait for 30 seconds and then turn off the screen and lock the account to secure the computer. So that's cool, right? So thanks for watching this short video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.